Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 75 Buick LaSabre convertible. This comes from John in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Thank you very much, John, for your business. This radio is already AM-FM. The customers requested modern internal conversion with Bluetooth, USB, and my master input-output box so that he can hook his, if he wants to use an external amplifier for even more power, he's got his 4-channel preamp outputs, an unpowered subwoofer output, and then of course your aux inputs. So that's kind of a master control box for that. So let's go ahead and fire this puppy up, make sure everything works. I got it set to AM at the moment.
That's what you should, if you are in sync with me, Christian or Jew, if you're in sync
and then
with me,
for FM, I just got all the presets set to stations in my area, so we'll go through those. Okay, now we're going to need our output level meters for this next video. I'm going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader adjustments. The fader control on these radios usually don't work anymore, so now we have a fader control that's in the tone control. I'm going to demonstrate how to use that right now. Get our meters into the picture and turn this something that's a little bit less. There we go. Okay, virtual fader. Rotate our tone control twice to the right.
As you know, there have been dozens.
Didn't quite make it. Try it again.
Cases that have been debunked.
Fader adjust. Okay, so now this same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. You can adjust it as long as you want, and then when you stop adjusting it, it'll wait about 2 seconds, and then fader set. Okay, now we'll do the same thing with the balance. Same procedure, except we rotate our tone control twice to the left to activate that. So let's try that. Okay, try it again. Doesn't always work first time.
Run around. All it took was for a question.
Balance adjust.
There we go. So now the same control is adjusting our left-right speaker balance.
They claim falsely that Trump won the
keep in mind that
balance set.
Now each radio is a little bit different, and the behavior of the control is going to be a little bit different on each radio. You just have to find that sweet spot that activates the function. So now we're going to go to test the 8-track function, and we've got some Neil Sedeka. We'll just pop this in real quick. Leave our meters activated for the moment so we know that all speakers are working. And now we'll go back to our unit, and we're going to change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, that cutting out on the left side, that's my fault. That's damage I've done to this test tape. And there's some more test tones. Okay, we must be good. There we go. Okay, this unit has an eject button. It's the leftmost tuner button. Press it lightly. It'll pop the tape out so you can get to it. Just retune our radio. Okay, now we're going to make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Well, one of the ways we do that is to give the volume control 2 turns to the right, so let's try that.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you hear the lady saying Bluetooth ready to pair. So now the unit is trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the demo videos. Just make sure it goes into pairing mode so we know it works. Let's try our USB. Make sure my radio commercial starts playing automatically. And there's my radio commercial. Pull the stick. Radio comes back. Alrighty, and then our dial light is also operational. You may not see it, but it is working. I don't replace the dial lamp in these Delcos because they have those forever type bulbs, but it is lighting up. So that concludes the test. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry.